Three games down, one more game to go. As we are still here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, province of Pampanga, for the continuing coverage of your Pampanga Inter-Municipalities-Cities basketball tournament, better known as the Delta Cup of 2024. We see the two teams ready to play in this last matchup of the day. It's the battle between the Macabebe Warriors and the United Thomasian Ballers mula sa bayan ng Santo Tomas ng Pampanga. We are live through the Pampanga PIO page o Facebook page, Pampanga PIO YouTube channel, and also Sinagliga TV channel. At yan nga po ang ating mga social media platforms na pwede nyo pong panoorin itong laro na ito. Again, it's an exciting day of basketball. Started off for tong araw na to with 3 games as we take a look at the brackets. As ito parehas sa kumanan, Macabebe Warriors is at 3-2, habang ito United Thomasian Ballers 4-2. So nandun sila sa taas. Macabebe looking to move up to a tie at second spot, pero syempre United Thomasian Ballers wanting to go solo second after this ball game. So siguradong exciting na naman itong mga magiging laro natin. So huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Punta na natin si Ryan Paro para sa starters ng bakbakang Macabebe Warriors and United Thomasian Ballers.
Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the main event of the afternoon for our quadruple header for the 2023 to 24 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball League. Our match at hand featuring the Macabebe Warriors and the United Thomasian Ballers. Let's meet our starters. First for Macabebe Warriors. And for number 12, Dusty Mundo. Middle forward number 2, Jamie Sula. Center number 22, Charles Lugo. Point guard number 26, Kenneth Dua. And other guard number 23, Kyle Yabu. Head coach for Macabebe Warriors, Roman Alfonso. Assisted by Lester Rodriguez, Raymond Bata. Team manager, Brandon Lucy. And now let's meet the starters for the United Thomasian Ballers. Small ball number 8, Mercado. Power forward number 71, Kyle Mercado. Center number 75, Bert Samata. Point guard number 10, Kenneth Bata. And shooting guard number 2, AJ Laiso. Head coach for Santo Tomas is DJ Mercado. This is by Mercado, Evans of Canada, Renan Basilio. Your memory charge, playing on Michael Galutera, Dennis Estaros, and Noel Benaces. It is the Macabebe Warriors with
As we take a look at the starters for the Macabebe Warriors, they have Batak Laison, Mercado, and Zapata. Para naman sa United Thomasian Ballers, you have Dua Giabut, Dungo Mundo, and JP Sunga completing the 5 for both teams as we are about to start our first quarter of our final game of your Thursday quadruple header ng inyong Delta Cup 2024. That's a backcourt violation para simulan ang laro. Niyabot. Miscommunication kagad early part of the ball game. Is it somewhat like yung nangyari nung first game na nagkabaliktad eh? Mukhang hindi naman. So let's start here. Mercado to left side. They go to the post. That is out. Nice on the jumper, no good. Atake dito. They go out. Duwag. Yabot for three. That's short. Recovered here by Santo Tomas. The United Thomasian ballers from Santo Tomas, Pampanga. Duwag. Coach BJ Mercado says, settle muna tayo. Tres. Wala. Rebound. Zapata running the break. Zapata, no good. Still scoreless here. Sunga. The teardrop, no good. Zapata, another board. Isang minuto, kalahati na ang nakakalipas. Wala pa rin nakakapuntos ng both squads. Laison. They go to the middle. Back out. Laison for three. That's money. For AJ Laison. 8 minutes and 12 remaining here. Duwag. Pass. Yabot to the right side. Yabot goes out. The jumper. No good. Rebound recovered by Zapata. Laison with a three earlier. Pass outside. Bata. Balik kay Laison. Mercado, the big man, the jumper from the baseline, no good. Here comes Macabebe. The Warriors, no good on the shot. Yabot gets the ball. Labas dito. Kay Duwag, balik kay Yabot. Dungo on the jumper. Still no good for Macabebe. That is a turnover. Macabebe, 3-on-2, fast break. Pass here kay Yabot. But Yabot, nilabas muna. Sunga fakes it. Sunga moves in. First 2 points, basket there. Mula dito kay Kyle Mundo. It's 3-2 the score. 1-point lead for Santo Tomas. 3 ball. Mercado recovers it. The pass, Zapata, inside, no good. And Mundo gets the rebound. They go to the right side. Duwag, looking for his teammates. Si Sunga nasa baba pa rin. Nagsisinta sa sapatos. You'll see him there. Yan, nakita mo, tumakbo siya from the left side of the screen. Laison for 3. And that's 2 3-pointers now for AJ Laison. Duwag defended. Pass. Duwag fakes it. Duwag moves in. The shot, no good. Rebound scramble. Dungo scores. JP Sunga scores. That's a foul, offensive foul there. So, let's see if that is called on Kyle Mercado. I think the foul is called on Kyle Mercado. Let's double check that. That is a 3-ball there.
That's Marcos Alfonso.
Marcos Alfonso hits a 3-ball. The foul is there, called there.
First team foul on Macabebe Warriors. Gross, Kyle Mercado.
On Charles Dungo, as Mercado will shoot the free throw there. At yung foul kanina tama si Kyle Mercado. So, one team foul each for both squads. Yung unang foul kanina, Kyle Mercado. Now it's Charles Dungo there. As a basket there for Charles Dungo. It's 9-7 the score. Laison, almost. There's a foul. Let's take a look at that pass. And that's an easy 2 points there from Charles Dungo. 4 minutes and 27 remaining here. Tres na naman para kay AJ Laison. Tatlong tres para dito kay AJ Laison. 9 points already here to start this ball game. Shot is short. Zapata with the rebound. Laison. Heat check time. No good. Fast break outlet pass. Inside score. Para kay Matthew Mariano. Eleven to 10 the score. Bata. Pass to Mercado. Shot from 3. That's short. Mariano, Matake. Mariano, no good. Rebound. Recovered and last caught stepping on the baseline. Itong si Marcos Alfonso. Ito, substitution. Palitan ng tao dito for Macabebe. Papasok Joshua Talavera. And also, player number 27, Carl Husey. Para naman dito sa Santo Tomas. For the United Thomasian Ballers. Pinasok na itong bagong pointer nila, Maniti. On the floor right now. As that is a 2-pointer there. Para kay Zapata. Kurt Zapata scoring. Another steal here for the Thomasian Ballers. But counter steal right here. Last touch on Laison. Substitution. Kurt Laison will step out. Joseph Silvestre checks in. Let's take a look at that play one more time. Finding the inside. Ito si Kurt Zapata. Teardrop, no good. That is last touch on the boys from Macabebe. (12-11) the score. Gomez. Well defended. The steal here. Extra pass. The shot from 3-point distance to no avail. Gomez. Gomez, 2-minute mark here. Gomez, that one-hander is good as it trickles in. Score natin 14-11. Talavera, extra pass. Nice mine as Sunga scores. One-point lead for United Thomasian ballers. Silvestre inside. That is caught stepping on the baseline. Let's take a look at that. Nice shot inside. That is a good shot there. Gomez now, baseline. Gomez, binigay dito kay Silvestre. Maniti goes to Gomez. Gomez moves in. Gomez, the big man. And that will be a shot clock violation. Goes inside. Itong Macabebe, labas muna. The pass here. The jumper to no avail. That will be out. Just melting the clock are the United Thomasian ballers. No good. Recovered here by Macabebe. The layup attack, no good. Mariano, yes. Lamang na Macabebe dito. 3 ball, no good, that's too strong. As we will end our first quarter of action. The Macabebe Warriors suddenly waking up here to end the first quarter of play. Magandang panimula for this squad of the United Thomasian ballers led by AJ Laison. Pero the scrappiness of this Macabebe Warriors squad really showing it here in the first quarter as they lead by 1 after this first quarter of action. Our score, it's 15-14. We will be right back for more action here in your Delta Cup 2024. The Macabebe Warriors take a 1-point lead here against the United Thomasian ballers, kung saan itong United Thomasian ballers galing nga sa panalo kahapon kontra sa GUIAO Pampanga 79-73 as Kurt Zapata led the charge with 25 points in that matchup. That was a close victory for them, 79-73. So another close ball game right now to start it here as the second quarter has already started. Tres, that is short. Pass break here. Maniti, the attack, almost in and out. Sunga gets the rebound. Alfonso. The pass. UC scores. And the peskiness of these Macabebe Warriors showing it here. No good on the shot. Fakes that shot. Labas dito Maniti para sa tres. No good. Rebound na pulot ng Macabebe. Alfonso moves it closer. The pass. Sunga, no good. And Silvestre scores for Santo Tomas. Ponzo now brings it. Sunga, balik kay Tavera. Extra passes. Good defense by Kagiwa. The jumper. And it's good for Marcos Alfonso. 19-16. 3-point lead still for Macabebe. That goes out. Dalawang minuto nakakalipas na dito sa ating first or second quarter. In your last game of your Thursday quadruple header, Maniti gets the steal here. Gomez running it. Gomez, the shot is good. They go inside. And then basket once again. So it's still a 3-point lead. Nandun pa rin. Yung lead na yan, hindi pa rin natitibag nito sa Tomas yung 3 points. Maniti loses the ball there. Now, Macabebe looking for a good shot here, and they do. And Saplan scores inside. Six minutes and 45 remaining. Maniti inside. Zapata, no good. Fast break, Duwag. The jumper no good. Ivan Duwag. Sa terminology yung Pinoy, pag sabi ng Duwag, takot. Pero dito, wala siyang katakot-takot. As we take a look at that shot by Sablan off the pass mula kay Duwag. And Duwag is as brave as ever dito. Walang katakot-takot. And he is open here. He goes inside. That's a shot clock violation. 5-point lead for Macabebe. Fast break here. Agaw, napulot ulit, pero nawala na yung bola doon.
19 seconds shot clock.
Duwag gives it up. The 3 ball on the way. That is short para kay Sunga. Recovered by Talavera. Oh, nice! Bomba yun, pero wala. Outlet pass. Lyson, 3-ball. That's his money shot. That is no good. Rebounded by Duwag. Sablan inside. And now the lead is at 7 with that shot by Sablan. Taking a look at that. Talavera, that extra pass to Sablan. At bakit nga naman hindi? Lamang na ng 7 ang koponan ng Macabebe. 25-18. Taking a look at the Thomasian ballers, United Thomasian ballers from Santo Tomas, Pampanga. Coming off a victory yesterday against GUIAO. Ngayon, susubok na naman sila na makabingwit ng pangalawang sunod na panalo after 2 days. But the problem is, kailangan nila dumaan sa isang pesky Macabebe Warriors squad. That is an offensive foul call.
Offensive foul on number 75, Kurt Zapata.
And the foul is called on Kurt Zapata. This is first. And team foul number 1. Ngayon pala tayo nagkaroon ng mga fouls doon, pero ito foul na naman. The foul is called on Joseph Silvestre.
Joseph Silvestre. First personal, 17 fouls on the bus.
Duwag. The shot by Talavera is good. Lobo na sa 9 ang kalamangan. Silvestre. That is last touch on
12 seconds shot clock.
last touch on Macabebe. Mercado. Labas dito kay Silvestre. Goes out. Extra passes. The jumper for Zapata. No good. Zapata silent here in this ball game. That is last touch on Silvestre. Siyang na puntos na kalamangan dito. Susubukan dagdagan ng Macabebe. And that is a shot from John Kenneth Duwag. Sabi sa inyo hindi duwag tong batang to. Napakatapang. Ngayon, 11 na ang kalamangan ng Macabebe Warriors. Another steal. On the run. Sunga with a score. At ngayon, lumobo na sa 13 ang kalamangan ng Macabebe Warriors of that fast break. Extra pass, Duwag to Sunga, 1-2 combination play. And now it is a 13-point lead for the Macabebe Warriors. Timeout on the floor. We're back here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center for the continuing coverage of your Delta Cup 2024. Alvin Tañada on the call here. Saan itong Macabebe Warriors are on a roll here. In the second quarter, lamang na nga sila ng 13 dito. 31-18. And it has been the Macabebe Warriors show for them. As ito si Lyson na nahimik na nga dito after scoring 9 points in the first. Another steal. And Alfonso, no good. Sayang yun. Mercado fakes. The pass. Zapata has been silent here. And that's a 3-second violation called. 3 minutes and 7 remaining here in the second. Alfonso. Inside. The shot, no good. Loose ball scramble. That's a jump ball. Silvestre checks in or checks back out for Gomez. Tapos si Sunga naman lalabas. Pumasok. New player here, number 16. That it is Ivan or Macabebe. Atake doon and there's a foul. So ito, pangalawang Ivan Duwag. So and second personal foul doon on Charles Dungo. First team foul for the Warriors. As we bring in now Lord Velasco para sa kupunan ng Macabebe as Mercado makes the first. Gabriel Mercado. This one is good. Taking a look at Coach PJ Mercado. Down to an 11-point lead, 31-20. The shot. And Alfonso gets a stick back. Now you have on the floor Ivan Duwag. Nawala yung isang Duwag. Pinasok mo isang Duwag. So, this is a very strong squad. At kita mo yung Ivan Duwag nakikipaglaban sa ilalim. There's no such term as Duwag sa pamilyang Duwag. Kasi napakatapang ng kanilang pamilya. Showing it here in this matchup. Under 2 minutes here sa ating second quarter. Atake. Ivan Duwag to Dungo. Dungo the jumper. No good. By Macabebe. Alfonso. Back here. But that's a traveling violation. As the Macabebe Warriors lose for time, it's a baker's dozen lead for their squad, 33-20. Taking a look at the fans here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center sa San Fernando, Pampanga. As the fans have shown out their support here. Alam kayo ng mga fans na yan? Alam kayo ng mga fans na yan na nakikita sila din sa LED monitor natin at sa live natin through the Pampanga PIO or PIO Facebook page, Pampanga PIO YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. Mamaya malalaman na lang na yan as Lison makes the 3. 12 puntos na yan for AJ Lison. (33-23) the score. The drive. Nawantik na yun ako ng bola. Binigay kay Evan Duwag. Duwag inside. The jumper from the baseline, no good. And Alfonso gets the board back. Alfonso is good. Marcos Alfonso. Scoring there, 44 seconds remaining in a fast-paced second quarter between these two squads. Pero may foul doon. Marcos Alfonso called for that. That's his second personal, second team foul. The Warriors. Macabebe still on top here by 12. Kurt Zapata. Itinawid. Ang depensa, making it a 10-point lead. Shot clock, game clock difference of 1 second here. Alfonso. Dungo. Nakahuli ng depensa ni Marcado. Last shot time for them. Let's see. Lison says, I'll drive it to the hole at no avail. Zapata, no good still. One more shot for Macabebe. Does he know it? Velasco for 3. Let's see. And there's no call there, and that will be it to end our second quarter. We're in the Macabebe Warriors scoring at will here as they have really been on a roll all quarter long as they were led by Marcos Alfonso, Charles Dungo, and the rest of the Warriors as they take a 10-point lead at the half. Our score, 35-25. We're back from the halftime. Our score is 35-25. The Macabebe Warriors takes a 10-point lead heading into the second half. My name is Alvin Tanyada. As we take a look at the halftime highlights, itong si AJ Laison shot 4 3-pointers, tatlo nung first quarter. And itong ang kupunan ng Thomasian bowlers, looking good in that first quarter, but it was all Macabebe Warriors in that second quarter. We saw that at the end of the second quarter, yung highlights natin, puro sa Macabebe Warriors because they were playing like a house on fire. Their scrappiness and everything else have led them to get this 10-point lead. As we are just awaiting our leading scorers here. As you see, AJ Laison with 12, Jansen Zapata with 6, and Gab Mercado with 2. Tapos sa United Thomasian bowlers, you have 9 points for Marcos Alfonso, Jerome Sablan 6, and 4 points. Pero parang baliktad yun, yung scoring natin na yun. Pero, baliktad niya yung scoring natin doon. But still, Laison leading the way with 12 points. Habang ito namang si Alfonso leading the way naman para sa Macabebe Warriors. Second half has started in third quarter. And side score there para dito kay JP Sunga. The pass here. Balik dito. Laison. To Mercado. Gab Mercado inside. This is tahimik si Zapata dito, only 6. After scoring 25 yesterday, as that is a monster block. Access denied. Mula dito ay Marcos Alfonso. Ball will stay with Santo Tomas. Inbound from the sideline. Gives it to Mercado. Laison. The hook, no good. And Alfonso will bring it back down. Pass here. Balik kay Duwag. JK Duwag. Duwag defended by Mercado. Shot lock. Now at 0. As the ball will stay here sa Macabebe Warriors. Dose puntos mo rin ang kalamangan ng Macabebe. Duwag fakes. Duwag the 3. That's too strong. Mercado with the rebound. Extra pass and leading to a score there. Para dito sa United Thomasian bowlers as RD Maniti scores. Inside. Natapik dito. Stolen. We go down the other way. Maniti. Extra pass. Zapata scores. Zapata scores. Duwag kontra Maniti. A good backcourt battle here. Duwag. The shot no good. Mercado with the rebound. Zapata. Inside, no good. And fast break here. Alfonso. And Duwag not able to get the ball. And a special shout out dito, mga nanonood sa atin through our Facebook page ng Pampanga PIO. Jonathan Benedict Buwan. And sabi nga ni Feliciano, ni Len Feliciano, go lang pamangkin. Carl Hendricks UC, and Idrol, pakapitik mo pa. Sabi ni Jem Clarin. 37-29, 6 minutes and 48. Mariano fakes. Mariano takes a three. That is so short. Yung tira na yan. $37-29 the score. Inside pass to Mercado. Tres. To no avail. Zapata able to get the board. Second serving. Nice pass. Extra pass to AJ Laison. And the lead has been cut down to 6. 37-31. Mariano. Set to Dungo. Dungo the jumper. It's good. Back to an 8-point lead. 39-31. Agaw. Dito na naman ang Macabebe Warriors. Mariano. Pass there. Mercado. The pass. Maniti to Mercado. The teardrop is good. 41-33. Walo na naman to para sa Macabebe. And there is a jump ball. Substitution here. Let's take a look at this pass. Nice pass by Maniti to Mercado. Easy 2 points yan para doon kay Mercado. That is a steal pero bagsak. Si Yabut. Looks like he hit his head but he seems to be okay. Yabut goes all the way. That is short. Santos. The pass. Zapata. Huli de Talavera. 4 minutes and 32 remaining here. Zapata. Huli na naman. And that's a traveling violation. Itong si Kurt Zapata nahihirapan dito on his offense. At sigurado, yan another block. And sabi ni Sunga, access denied. Atake, no good. Shot clock still running here. 4 seconds. And good defense there. That's a jump ball. Possession arrow point for the guys in greens of Santo Tomas, Pampanga. United Thomasian Ballers. Pasok na tayo sa 4 na minuto. Batak. Tulaison, Mercado, extra pass inside. Batak, the jumper. That is short. Rebound recovered by Duwag. Talavera. A 3 on the way, that is short. And recovered by Kurt Zapata. Extra pass, Gomez. Or rather, that is Kenneth Batak with the score. The lead once again is at 6. Yan yung barrier na hindi matibag-tibag nitong Thomasian Ballers. Talavera no good. Rebounded here once again by Macabebe as that shot is good. Mula dito kay Dustin Mundo. Balik sa 8 ang lamang. This is a fast-paced ball game. No fouls. The referees are letting these players play as Dustin Mundo scores. At may timeout tayo on the floor as the United Thomasian Ballers are just cannot break that 6-point barrier. Kaya lumobo na naman sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Macabebe. As we take a look at that last shot mula dito kay Dustin Mundo. He has been leading the charge here for the Macabebe Warriors. Dustin Mundo now one of the leading scorers dito. Kasi ang dami nilang gumagawa dito. It's not just a one-man show. It has been a total team effort para sa Macabebe Warriors. Silvestre, the pass, nahuli na naman. As that is a turnover once again for the United Thomasian Ballers. Two minutes and 15 remaining here. Approaching the 2-minute mark. That drive, that's a traveling violation. As the Macabebe Warriors lose more time, they just want to make sure that this 10-point lead ay hindi matitibag ng United Thomasian Ballers. Yes, and we are still here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. As the crowd very much happy with all our 4 games dito po sa inyong Delta Cup 2024. At hindi pa nga po tayo tapos dito, tuloy-tuloy tayo na magbibigay ng action sa dito. Bukas po muli, meron tayong 4 na laro hanggang Sabado para sa tuloy-tuloy na aksyon ng inyong Delta Cup 2024. Gomez makes it. The pass, the shot, no good still. Look at Zapata. At nakita niyo nandun yung depensa ulit ni Sungal. Labas muna tayo. Oh, that's a steal there. And a layup. (45-35) or 47-35 the score. Atake, huli na naman si Zapata.
6 seconds shot clock.
6 seconds on the shot clock. Almost a steal, a completed one here. Mundo moves in. Duag with a score. Angat na naman sa 14 ang kalamangan. Shot from 3. No good for Gomez. Zapata scores. Kurt Zapata. Macabebe now bringing down the ball here. Mundo. The ball. Oh, nakatapik pa pala yan. May shot clock violation na yan. And then, it's a miscommunication there. Dapat inabol pa yan ni Duwag. And that's 5.1 seconds remaining. Laison babalik dito for his 3-point shooting. Kasama ni Mercado, so it's offense-defense substitution. Let's see. This will be a quick 2 or a quick trigger 3 here. 5.1 seconds remaining here in the fourth, or the third quarter rather. Gomez, the shot, in and out. And that will end that fast-paced third quarter of action. As itong ang koponan, ang Macabebe, kept their composure here in this quarter, even though itong United Thomasian Ballers tried to make a run here in the quarter. But still, it's +2 at the end of 3 quarters in the scoring act for Macabebe Warriors as they take a 12-point lead heading into the fourth quarter, 49-37. As we take a look at ito, Macabebe Warriors player number 24, Marcos Alfonso. Siya nga po ang top performer for this Macabebe Warriors squad. 11 points already for Marcos Alfonso as he has been doing the damage in this matchup. Siyempre, dadagdagan pa niya yung puntusan na yan heading into this fourth quarter. As we start the fourth quarter of action mula dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Alvin Tañada on the call here for 4 games here as Sunga that's traveling. Nine minutes and 45 remaining here in this fourth quarter. The pass, Zapata scores.
Zapata.
Ito ngayon, atake. The pass there. Dua gets the ball. 5 seconds on the shot clock. The jumper, no good. Recovered. And scramble for the loose ball. Agawang buko. Oops. Sakto-sakto na sa probinsya tayo. Para agawang buko na yung mga uso sa piyesta, no? Katatapos-tapos nga lang ng piyesta dyan sa Cebu, mga Santo Niño, di ba? Eh dito, mga tuloy-tuloy yata tayo dito. It's a 10-point lead. A minute has gone by dito sa ating fourth quarter. Thomasian Ballers can still make a run here. Pero no good still para kay Zapata. Shot by Mariano. No good. Rebound by Laison. Oh, that's a steal. Mariano all the way home. 51-39 the score. 8 minutes and 19 remaining here. shot from 3 by Gomez to no avail. Alfonso running the break. Sunga. Oh, there's a foul. That's a clear foul on Silvestre. There, kita mo yung foul na yun sa ulo. Tinamaan, pero there's no intention. Pag-angat lang nito, pag-angat ni Sunga, doon lang napasabit ito si Silvestre. Kaya nga, it's no problem. It's a basketball play there. And that's a first team foul for the United Thomasian Ballers. And only the first team foul here in the second half. And there's a foul there. Joseph Silvestre, dalawang sunod na foul. Third personal foul on Joseph Silvestre. Dalawang team foul na for United Thomasian Ballers. JP Sunga is shooting the free throws here. First one is no good. And special shout out kay Daniel Torsino and also kay Canary Pangan, shout out. Trece puntos muli ang lamang. Mangiti. Good defense, but Alfonso will be called for that foul.
Foul number 21, Marcos Alfonso.
Third personal foul on Marcos Alfonso. The pass. Zapata gives it up. Hipolito, paso, instant offense for Paul Hipolito. Naghahanap na ng magic bunot. Ito si Coach PJ Mercado and the rest of the United Thomasian Ballers. Sunga the drive, no good. Sunga second serving, still no good. Sunga still gets the ball. Pero foul will be called on Paul Hipolito.
This we call number 61, Paul Hipolito.
First personal on Paul Hipolito. Let's take a look at that last play. Paul Hipolito, magic bunot kaya ito for the Thomasian Ballers. Let's see as he makes that basket to go. That is a traveling violation. One stop, that's good. Now they have to make one good basket here. Zapata lalabas muna, papasok muli sa loob. Itong si Kyle Mercado. Hipolito, the pass, Mercado, the shot doesn't go in. Rebound, nakpulot. As there is a foul once again. And I believe it's on Kyle Mercado.
Foul on number 71, Kyle Mercado. Second personal.
Team foul number 4 now for the Santo Tomas Pampanga-based United Thomasian Ballers. That's a steal there. Atake, reverse, no good. Rebound recovered by Macabebe. Defense here by Duwag. Teka lang, that's a backward violation. Kitang-kita natin.
Backward violation.
14-second shot clock dahil natawin tayo dito sa front court. Maniti. Gets it to Hipolito. Hipolito looking for a possible teammate. Finds Mercado. He was fouled there by Sunga. JP Sunga, that's his first 2 team fouls now.
Foul on number 2, JP Sunga. First personal, second team foul on Macabebe. Free throws for Kyle.
As 2 free throws will be given to Kyle Mercado. First one is no good. Kyle Mercado's second free throw. Teka lang. May kinaklarify lang ating referees. On the bench. Ano ba yan? Anong tinawag dito? I think one of the members of the staff. Pinaupo muna. Is it one of their utility members? Or on the... hindi naman. May nagsabihan na si coach na paupuin yung kanilang staff member. So, we're back to action here. Goes to the post here. And Duwag there on the drive as the foul is called on Maniti. Foul is called there. First personal foul, and two free throws will be given here to Duwag. First one for Kenneth Duwag is no good. Second free throw, Duwag, no good. So that's 0 of 2. And both teams struggling here in this fourth quarter. Hipolito. Gomez, the jumper, no good. Mercado, 2 points for Kyle Mercado. The shot inside, no good. And Gomez. And there's a foul downstairs. And I believe the foul will be called on Kenneth Duwag. First personal foul, 13 foul. (52-43), siyam na puntos pa to. Anything can still happen here. Maniti gets the ball. Maniti, the jumper. That is short. 5 minutes, kalahati na lang natitira dito. That's a steal by Maniti. Maniti goes all the way for the score. The full court press now implemented by the United Thomasian Ballers. Lamang na lang ng 7 ang Macabebe. Is it a completed steal? Yes, almost. And yun nga lang, galing kasi sa labas. Ito si Mercado. The timeout is called on the floor. 4 minutes and 32 remaining. 7 ang kalamangan ng Macabebe. Let's take a look at this last steal first by Maniti, cutting the lead to 7. Timeout on the floor. AJ Laison, the sharpshooting player for the United Thomasian Ballers. 4 na 3 yan at isang 2-pointer. And that is how he has really stepped up for this squad. But the other players are missing in action. Talking about Kurt Zapata, na isa sa mga pumutok during yesterday's ball game in their win, scoring 25 points. Now, Kurt Zapata with only a total of 12 points. 12 points lamang si Kurt Zapata. So that's way below his scoring from yesterday. Pass. Nice find by Alfonso. Charles Dungo scoring there, pero may warning on the delay of the game on Alfonso.
Warning on number 24, Marcos Alfonso for delay of the game.
So balik ang lamang sa siyam dito. Inside. And look at the scrappiness of this Macabebe Warrior squad. Alfonso. Well defended. Agaw dito. The Thomasian ballers. Nice sidestep. Huli ni Mariano.
18-second shot clock. So,
Lyson, papasok muli, papalitan si Mercado. So, they will try it another time with Lyson. This is their, what we call our Power 5 for the Santo Tomas Pampanga squad. Zapata, extra pass, Gomez for the score. Baba na naman sa pintuan lamang. Again, the barrier was 6. Let's see if they can break it here. Maniti, extra pass, Gomez na naman. May foul on Mariano.
Backing foul on number 13, Matthew Mariano.
First personal foul on Matthew Mariano. Gomez will shoot the free throws here. First one is no good. Still not able to break the barrier. Second one is good. So again, balik sa 6 ang kalamangan. That is the barrier na hindi pa rin nababasag itong United Thomasian Ballers. 6 points. The pass here, Sunga, extra pass. And that is a score for Charles Dungo. Parang round robin lang ang ginawa nila dito. 56-48, balik sa 8 ang kalamangan. Maniti to Mercado. Mercado well defended by Alfonso. Mercado does, huli na naman! Dungo says access denied. And you cannot get into the paint kapag nandyan si Dungo. The shot there to Noville. And there's a foul there.
Backing foul on number 8, penalty situation. First personal, got the paddle.
And that will mean free throws here for Marcos Alfonso. So yung 6 na puntos pa rin hindi na break as the first free throw is good. Alfonso, second free throw is good. 2 for 2. Balik na naman sa 10 lamang. 2 minuto, 33 segundos pa natitira sa fourth quarter. As we have, I believe, a technical here. Oh, a technical on Marcos Alfonso for taunting. Pang-4 na niya yan. At para sa mga manlalaro na tulad ito ni Marcos Alfonso, he better slow it down kasi may chance na eh. Lamang kayo ng 10, dapat hindi ka nagbibigay ng free points there. Pero Mercado, they're missing the free throw. Gab Mercado, missing the technical. So malaki chance sana yun para sa kanila kapanan. But still a 10-point lead here. 2 minutes and 30 remaining here. They need to make baskets here as Zapata hits a 3. 7-point lead. Parehin ang lamang na Macabebe. Silvestre taps it out.
23-second shot clock.
Kurt Zapata, 15 puntos na. 25 points yesterday, 15 today. So, mababa pa rin sa kanyang output from yesterday. Duwag. The drive. Duwag. No good! Player is down on the floor sa kabilang bahagi. Laison as we enter the twilight zone the last 2 minutes. As a player is down on the floor holding on to his left ankle here. Let's see. Is it cramps? Let's see kasi pinapastretch niya eh. Pinapastretch niya yung kanyang paa. JP Sunga. Down on the floor there. One of the key players of the Macabebe Warriors squad. Sayang nga lang na pagkakataon for United Thomasian dahil hindi nila nakapasok. That was an opportunity for them to score on the basket with a 5-on-4 fast break. Kaya lang, hindi nga nila naipasok. So, still a 58-51 lead. 7-point lead still. JP Sunga, pinagpag lang. Mukhang cramps lang. Ipapagpag na niya yan. Pero he needs to be subbed out. He needs to be subbed out kasi na-sub siya or there was an official's timeout. So, palit mo na dito. Joshua Talavera will check back in. Maybe around 2 rounds here. Pwede na ibalik si Sunga. Mundo. The pass. The shot, no good. Mercado gets the rebound. Maniti running the fast break. Pass. Kurt Zapata, no! Pero sayang yun na oportunidad. Joshua Talavera coming from the outside. And the possession will stay here. Let's take a look at that. Zapata miss. Nasa labas si Talavera, tapik. Teka lang, iyon lang huli. Galing sa labas. And the possession will stay with the United Thomasian Ballers. 7-point lead. Let's see if the United Thomasian Ballers can stage a comeback. The Macabebe Warriors are on top by 7 here and looking good. They want us to win this ball game. Habang ito namang United Thomasian Ballers from Santo Tomas, Pampanga. Susubok pa rin makabawi pa dito. Mahaba pa to. 1 minute and 36 as Kurt Zapata finally breaks that 6-point barrier. Now it's down to a 5-point lead. Dungo. Pass to Talavera. That's a steal. Fast break. Silvestre. Balik kay Kurt Zapata. Zapata, no good. But Silvestre able to get the ball. Still no good. Rebound. Napulot Zapata. Iba na ang masipag. Kurt Zapata and Talavera goes down. And I think Zapata or Talavera there stepped on a player. Good thing, nakita natin dito na si JP Sunga is about to check in to replace Talavera. Kung kanina, it was cramps. Ito mukhang nakaabak ng paa. It's not cramps. This is like a sprain. It looks like a sprain. He will just walk it up. Let's take a look at this one more time. Pag-angat doon, medyo hindi natin makita doon. Bali nakita yung nangyari doon. The press is on. Almost A completed steal here. Dua gets the ball. 1 minute remaining here. Alfonso, the pass, masyadong malakas. 54 seconds remaining. Coach Jomar Alfonso, not happy doon sa last play na yon. Maniti. Zapata has been superb. Zapata the drive, no good still. 42 seconds remaining. Duwag gets the ball. Duwag moves in. Duwag. Duwag. All heart. All skills. Sa tapang niya na yan. Who would say that his last name is Duwag? And the score right now is 60-55. Taking a look at that last play. Atapang atao. Hindi sumusuko. That is how itong si Duwag scores for their squad of the Macabebe Warriors. As it is now back to a two-possession game, 60-55. 26.7 seconds remaining here. And that is how you play basketball Macabebe style. Hindi nila pinabay. Even though, yes, it was up to a 10-point lead. Pero pinush niya yung laro as you take a look at itong si Joshua Talavera. And I think it's a sprained ankle na mamagana yung kanyang right ankle. But whatever happens, hindi na makakabalik. Ito si Joshua Talavera. 14-second shot clock. They will be inbounding from the front court. They have to make a quick basket here, either a 2 or a 3. Let's see how this play goes out. Walang mahanap na kakampi. Alfonso with a steal. Dungo all the way. That could be the nail in the coffin. Mercado, 3, wala. And rebounded. And Lyson will be called for the foul. That is a high fly rebound mula Dustin Duo, taking a look at that steal by Alfonso. The forward pass, the easy deuce. And Duo will be tested at the free throw line here. First free throw. That is no good. Second one for Dustin, or Charles Dungo. Second one, no good still. Rebound, Dungo. And that is a foul there by Silvestre.
Pushing foul number 74, Joseph Silvestre, penalty situation. 4 personal foul.
Dungo will shoot the free throw. And the supporters of the Macabebe Warriors all happy here. And that could be the icing on the cake there. The free throws by Dungo. Yung easy layup niya kanina doon. And the 2 points. It's now a 9-point lead once again. As the Macabebe Warriors survive the United Thomasian Baller scare. As our final score, it is 64-55. And it is a fine day of basketball. Buong araw po para sa inyong Delta Cup 2024. Marcos Alfonso and the rest of the Macabebe Warriors. Umangat ang laro. And they will go on to win this ballgame. Once again, our final score, it is 64-55. And so we are just awaiting our player of the game. Who else but the leader of this squad, Marcos Alfonso. Nandito na siya sa tabi ko ngayon as Marcos Alfonso is our player of the game. Marcos Alfonso, congratulations. Hinihingal ka na dito pero it was a game na 10-point lead lamang kayo pero nakita nyo humahabol itong kumanan ng Santo Tomas, Pampanga. Ano yung sinabi sa inyo nitong si Coach Jomar heading into that last few possessions of this matchup?
Di ba pressure po kami. Yung ginawa namin yung one line para ma-break namin yung trap defense nila, then mabilis lang yung pasa para ma-convert yung layup.
You scored 13 points in this matchup. At ito, all-out support sa'yo. Ang mga kakampi mo, lalo na yung mga taga Macabebe, Pampanga. Yes. Yeah. So, bibigyan kita ng chance na mag-greet lahat ng mga supporters sa Macabebe, Pampanga na mga nanood sa inyo through the Facebook page. Go ahead.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako agad dahil sa binigay nilang opportunity para manalo kami. Tsaka salamat sa mayor namin kay Bobong Flores at kay Vice Mayor Vince. Pati kay kay Boss Brandon, kay Boss Zero, sa lahat na suporta sa amin. Sa mga tropa ko dyan, salamat sa panonood sa live lang po. Salamat.
And once again, congratulations to the Macabebe Warriors and our player of the game, Marcos Alfonso. And that has been it for 4 games ng inyong Delta Cup 2024. And it has been a terrific set of games. Pero meron pa po tayong mga laro bukas mula pa rin po dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Ito po, first game natin at 10 o'clock in the morning, Bayong Pora going up against the Municipality of Arayat. Second game natin, ING Malugod, Candaba going up against the Macabebe Warriors. This same Macabebe Warriors squad that took home the victory. Next game natin, the undefeated Angeles City Red Warriors going up against ING Bayong Mexico. Napakaganda niyang laro na yan. And our last game, Guagua Tulong tayo going up against Santa Ana United. That will be our games for tomorrow. And syempre, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta ng inyong Delta Cup 2024. For our statistician na si Carlo, our floor director, Billy, and syempre, the rest of the guys mula dyan sa ating van, Direct Nomay Santiago, Direct Mike, and the rest of the hardworking men and women of your Delta Cup 2024. My name is Alvin Tanyara, and we'll see you in more of the games. Good night.